Alright, what's going on, family? What is going on, family? Today's video is gonna be about these mud flaps. It's gonna be about these mud flaps. Do y'all understand me? It's a lot of y'all drivers dropping trailers, man. And y'all know the mud flap is not on the back of these trailers. It's an easy fix. Please don't constantly make it hard for the next man that gotta pick up. Me personally, come on, man. I always check your mud flaps. You need to do that anyway going down the highway or before you pick a trail up. You know what I'm talking about? So you gotta think that's gonna prolong somebody's time if they gotta pick up a load and then on a time frame. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we ain't got nothing but them 14 in a day. You know what I mean? So make sure that you check and see if the mud flap is on. Or if it's loose, once you drop that trailer, just call it in. You go about your business. By the time for the next man come and pick that trailer up, guess what? Then I had somebody come fix that mud flap. You know what I'm talking about? Well, we're gonna get on that today right there. So, for you new guys and some of you vets that know what it is when it comes to this madness, we're gonna walk around this tractor right here that I'm in today, and we're gonna go back here and check these mud flaps on this trailer I'm finna pick up before I even take flight. It's called pre-trip, baby. Pre-trip. Come on, go with me. Dust this thing off in here. These are perfect to have in your truck. Get a little dust off. Even dust off your body, baby. But check this out. We're gonna go out here. We're gonna check these mud flaps, which I already have. We're gonna do it again for you visual learners. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's make it happen, baby. I haven't been uploading no videos. I took a little vacation, and it felt good. You know what I'm saying? So I always gotta take your vacation, because if you don't take a vacation, you know, running up and down these highways, or if you're somebody that's OTR over the road, or you out for 2 and 3 weeks or 4 weeks at a time, whatever it is you're doing, it will burn you out. So drive. Don't let none of these companies burn you out, because it's like some of them, it seems as though they think you're robotic. You know what I mean? And ain't none of us no robots. You gotta get that body a break. You know what I'm saying? Every time I stop at a rest area, and I mean on my route that I'm on, I got 2 rest areas on my stop, and they spread it apart about 30, 40 miles. I stop, I pull up in them, I walk around my truck, just do a quick check. And then I exercise and stretch my legs, you know what I'm saying, and you know, just scratch my body. But I always check these right here, and make sure I check these as well. Make sure I got rivets in them. Always. That's another thing. You don't want to pull up to no tractor if you're doing slip seat, which I'm not, so I know how mine gonna be. Or if you're doing slip seat, then the rivets are not in there. So I always check these on the trailer too when you pull up. I always check these. You get a bag of them out of the truck stop. And as you can see, I make sure all my mud flaps is on. You know what I'm talking about? Gotta cover your own butt. Cover your own, you know what I mean, ASS while you're out here. Because if you don't do it for yourself, we're gonna do it. Just come around here. Always check. And I see that one is on the other side over there. But either way it go, I'm gonna check it anyway. So before I hit the highway, I don't want DHC bar in the boy. You know what I'm talking about? I don't want all that shit, bang. Fifth wheel need a little more grease on it. I always keep me a tube of that extra grease. You know what I'm saying? The greasier it is, the better it is. You know what I'm saying? Go back here. But yeah, just a quick reminder, man. You know how it is when you get ready to go pick up a trailer. I mean, they loading the trailer. Some of these people in the warehouse, they don't check that stuff because it ain't their job to do it. You know what I mean? I don't think it's their job to do it. It's on that driver. Everything winds up being on the driver. Remember that. Newbies, oldest, or whoever, everything is on the driver. Y'all know that. They blame us for everything. We Class A drivers. They figure we're not supposed to make no mistakes. We're supposed to catch mistakes. So we're the last line of defense and the first line to get blamed. You dig what I'm saying? So just a little quick saver for you. Once again. And with this truck right here, I don't know why they're doing it to a lot of these trucks, but a lot of them is starting to put these fairings on here real low. As you can see, mine is low as they come. How low can you go? I wind up hitting the armadillo on the road. Couldn't avoid that guy, God forgive me. But it was all on him and I had to get it fixed. See that? He had done ripped my fairing, but I got that fixed. And let that be the reason. But once again, this video is all in love, just a little reminder, because some of us forget sometimes, we get complacent, and that we can't be doing, we can't be getting too complacent, you dig what I'm saying? And that's what this video was about. Make sure your mud flaps is on there, because it's somebody quick to say, a rock pop from that truck. If they see you not have a mud flap, and that could have happened to their car days, weeks, months ago, or maybe even years ago, but they get behind you and not see a mud flap, they can easily report your truck, you know what I'm saying, take a picture of your truck, and your company will be made to pay for a rock that damaged some months, weeks, years ago, and you had nothing to do with it. But to cover your own, you know what, ASS, make sure that you have your mud flaps on your tractor and your trailer. Peace. To the next one. Subscribe. Stay tuned to the video. I'm back at it. It's been a minute. It's been about a month before I uploaded, but constant uploads coming again. And I also got me another GoPro. So I want y'all to see some of this visual on the outside and a little bit on the inside. Kind of like the company cameras, but mine gonna be a little bit more in detail when I'm hitting these mountains and stuff like that. See how your boy do it. Stay peace. I'm out. 100.